Okay, so as you can see here, I have a package on the table from China, and I'm gonna try to read it, and you can try and read it with me. This is gonna be pretty hilarious. I promise you I'm not gonna just butcher it on purpose. For the sake of entertainment, here we go. Mao Xin Da Lang Ji Dao Ban Tong Fu Yu Gong Yi Yuan Hua Ting Lu. Do you pronounce the Z? I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to be Zhen or Zen. I forget from some time ago. I think it's probably. Let's just say, okay. Zen, Xin, Gong, Yi, Yuan, 3, Lu, 51,008. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's just cut this open. Okay, that's enough trolling. Alright, so now I am back from that interruption. Now, as I was trying to demonstrate, I was trying to show you that this thing can be exchanged like that. I don't want to really mess it up because I want to keep it in its perfect configuration. Did I mess something up there? No, okay, white here, yellow there, red there, blue there. No, okay, we're good. Yeah, that actually looks pretty darn cool. Yeah, I turned up the lights. So if you're wondering, wait, why does the video look dark all of a sudden in this part? Well, yeah, it's because I turned out the lights. And yeah, that actually looks pretty cool. Okay, let's go this way. See if we can emphasize on the microphone. It actually spins a lot quieter than the other fidget spinners I picked up from the Canadian Tire. I hear that? It's a lot quieter. Now listen to this in comparison. Ooh. Knocked the camera. Yeah, and of course, because it's much smaller and narrower, it'll also spin a lot faster than its thicker counterpart. Oh yes, actually I also demonstrated you can actually pull it off too. I did it on camera, off camera. So now I'm gonna do it on camera. Okay, never mind. It looks like this I can't pull. Where did I pull it? I pulled it about here. Alright, now it's not cooperating with me. You know, I don't want to break it because this did cost me like $7.99. So I want to try and be careful here. But yeah, I did manage to pull it off at one point. Don't know why it's not pulling right now. Make sure it looks like in between the joints. If there's not gonna be too much glare, get to focus there. Nope, it looks. I guess okay, that looks better. Maybe I should turn the lights again. See if that helps. Yeah, okay, I think that'll help. Yeah, that looks a little bit better now. Not too bad. Okay. Now let's take both of them for a spin. This is a fidget spinner video after all, so I want there to be lots of spinning. So I was just about to tell this camera to focus, because it was not focusing. Ah! And it looks like I got part of it to come off now from that fall. Like that. Hope it didn't actually break. No, it did not actually break, so that's a good thing. Guess it looks like there. Maybe I should turn off the light because it's just producing way too much darn glare. And now you can't see a thing. Great. So it looks like I have to put it back on. Joy. The never-ending saga of me trying to show you what's inside with all this glare. Okay, that looks good. There we go. See the details there. See the details in this part. Does it feel a little bit wet? Actually, no, it's just wiped it off camera, so that explains that. And let's see if I can put it back on. If it broke already just from that fall. I don't know if I can send it back or not. What did I just do? Okay. Now I want this to be on this side. Okay, there we go. Should I keep this video going or should I just, I don't know. You know what I A third video on Fidget Spinners? Again? Yes. This one is special and worthy of it. Agree or disagree? Did you like this video? Comment, rate, like, subscribe, share, leave a blog for information, and visit my Twitter page for my latest tweets. And do not forget to also participate in the polls located in the top right corner in the eye circle. Do not listen to this song or it will make you very nervous and jittery by the time it's finished. You have been warned, and now I am out.